Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing surface moisture and oil so treatments work. Wash palms with lukewarm water and gentle soap for about 20-30 seconds, then pat completely dry. While skin is still clean, apply a small amount of a dedicated antiperspirant gel or talc-based powder to the entire palm area. This creates a barrier and reduces sweat production. Make sure to rub the product into fingerprints and the webbing between fingers. Once done, let it set for a minute before moving to active control steps. Now you apply active methods to reduce sweating at the source. If you have access, use antiperspirants. 3 15-20-minute sessions per week, adjusting intensity to tolerance. It blocks sweat ducts over time. Alternatively, at night apply a 10-20% aluminum chloride topical to dry palms, cover if needed, and rinse in morning. Also incorporate quick breathing exercises and brief stress reduction techniques, because sympathetic activation increases palmar sweating. Lower anxiety levels will support physical treatments and improve consistency of results. Finish by setting a maintenance plan so gains persist. Transition to once weekly antiperspirants or nightly aluminum chloride as tolerated, and use talc or absorbent liners during high-risk activities. If you develop skin irritation, open sores, or no measurable improvement after 6-8 weeks, seek a dermatologist. They can offer Botox injections, prescription anticholinergics, or targeted procedures. One quick troubleshooting tip: if treatments sting or cause rash, stop and rinse, then wait 48 hours before reintroducing a lower concentration or alternative therapy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.